Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptic. So, Bitcoin just took a brutal hit. We're now at $80,000. A Deseki's and Ether crashed below us, $2,000, wiping out over $200 billion from the market, one of the worst single-day crashes in a year. But here's the real shocker. Trump just signed an executive order to launch the U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve, something that should have made prices pump. Instead, Bitcoin nuked. Why? What went wrong? Let's break it down. All right, here's the deal. Trump's executive order confirms that the U.S. will start stockpiling Bitcoin. Sounds bullish, right? But there's a catch. No new money is entering the market. The reserve will be built using Bitcoin seized from criminal and civil forfeitures, not fresh government purchases. Traders were expecting aggressive government buying, but instead we got a relabeling of existing BTC holdings. No new demand. That's why the market tanked. Moreover, the executive order doesn't allocate a budget, all for Bitcoin purchases. Instead, it instructs the Treasury and Commerce departments to explore budget-neutral strategies. This means no immediate buying pressure from the U.S. government, just bureaucratic planning. Now let's zoom out. The broader economic landscape is not a war helping crypto right now. The U.S. has a $9.2 trillion debt refinancing problem. Coming up in 2025, most of this debt matures between January and June, forcing the government to either print money or cut spending. Treasury yields are dropping, signaling that the bond market expects a recession. Inflation expectations, jumped to 6%, making it harder for the Fed to cut interest rates. Now here's the kicker, Trump's new tax policies,
as I said in my,
could shake things up even more. He's been vocal about lowering corporate taxes and imposing higher tariffs on China, If this happens, and companies might hold on to cash instead of investing, global trade tensions could hurt market confidence. The Fed could be forced to keep rates high to fight inflation, making risk assets like Bitcoin less attractive. All of this is fueling panic selling in the crypto market. Traders are unwinding long positions, volatility is spiking, and put options are surging. All right, so where do we go from here? According to Arthur Hayes, Bitcoin could retest $78,000. And if that breaks, $75,000 use is next. There's massive options open interest at $70,000 to $75,000. And if we dip into that zone, it's going to get violent. But there's one silver lining. Exchange reserves are dropping fast. That means supply could tighten soon. But right now, none of that matters because panic is in control. Some traders believe that a rate cut is the only thing that can save Bitcoin. But with inflation rising and Trump prioritizing tax reforms over monetary policy, that may not come anytime soon. So, what do you guys think? Are we heading to the $75,000? Or is this just a dip before a bigger rally? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because things are moving fast and you don't want to miss the next update.